In today's video, I will be demonstrating connecting to a number of NEPI IDX supported cameras and viewing data from multiple cameras using NEPI's built-in image viewer application. In future videos, I will demonstrate using these cameras with NEPI's built-in AI automation and Connect applications.
For this tutorial, I will be using an embedded GPU processor box with the NEPI engine software installed and two NEPI IDX driver-supported cameras connected. The first one is an IP HD ONVIF camera, and the second is a USB HD camera. Since the IP camera uses power over Ethernet, I also have the PoE switch connected between the NEPI device, IP camera, and the PC.
While all of the imaging sensors we are using in today's demonstration are supported out of the box in the NEPI software through industry standard interfaces, your specific camera may require some configuration settings to be adjusted to work, such as configuring the correct IP address and password for the new IP cameras. The IP address for the ONVIF camera we are using in today's demonstration is 192.168.0.150 with a subnet mask of 255.255.255.0. So we will need to add an additional IP address to our NEPI device on that subnet. To do this, navigate to the NEPI RUI System Admin tab and add an address on that subnet, making sure it is different than the IP address of the camera you are trying to connect. For this demonstration, I will add the IP address 192.168.0.103.24, where 24 is a short form version of the subnet mask value. And after clicking the Add button, you should see the new IP address added to the device IP addresses list at the top of the box. After this, you can click the Save button on this same tab to save that IP address to the system so it boots up automatically on launch. To access the NEPI's IDX Imaging Sensor Control tab, select the Sensors Imaging option from the RUI's top menu. This tab allows you to select both the IDX supported camera you want to control and one of the camera's available IDX image streams to view. Under the IDX sensor selection box, you can see all of the IDX abstracted control options. Any controls that are not supported by the specific camera you select, such as range for a 2D camera, will be grayed out. As you make changes to any of the controls, you can see those changes applied live via image stream view on the left side of the page. If you want to save your camera settings after making adjustments, you can save these settings in the RUI System Admin tab so they persist next time you power up the NEPI device. While the RUI provides a convenient user interface to NEPI IDX sensors, all of the data and controls you see have documented backend API interfaces for automation programming and interfacing to a connected system. To view multiple image streams at once from our different connected cameras, we can use NEPI's built-in image viewer application. Just select the Application Image Viewer option from the RUI's top menu. This tab allows you to select up to 4 image streams to view at once. For this demonstration, we will put the IP camera's black and white image stream in box 1, the color image stream in box 2, the USB camera's black and white image stream in box 3, and its color image stream in box 4. As you can see, the image viewer application dynamically updates the image windows to fit the available space.
Hopefully, this gives you an idea of how NEPI simplifies connecting and using imaging sensors from multiple vendors. In the next few videos, I will be demonstrating connecting pan and tilt lighting and robotic control system hardware.